mix trees from different colors, and from different colors, just because to tell you that there is no specific and particular thing in the world which called stereotypical, because there is always a new version of something. You just need to discover it. So this red and yes, gold shiner brown. This I'll make different trees out of different colors, and Russian blue. I'll make a blue tree out here. See. So gradually I'll add the lighter shade of all those colors. So what is the light of red? Could be this, could be orange, could be yellow, but we'll do orange. A shade of any other. And for this brown, we'll use brown plus lemon yellow, so it will become yellow ochre color, mustard color. So this thing, and then for the Persian blue we'll add the cobalt blue, which we already have. So there we are. And what is the last thing not reached? We will apply the lightest shade like this. See, I applied lemon yellow here, and lemon yellow also works. You can add here also, and you can add in the family of blue color as well, like this. And black colors you can use in all three, so there is no restriction of using black color. And see, I'm making a tree out of it, as I told you in the beginning while I was commencing the class. So see. So here you go. Trunk would be larger than everything, because this is the foundation of the tree. And here you go. So this could be a hand scale if you wish to create. And yeah. So what you need to do, you just make sure that you are applying the texture. That's all you need, like this. See, although every tree has a texture, different textures, but I'm applying the common one just to tell you that there is no restriction of color and shade. So anything can go according to your imagination. And don't be stereotypical in terms of art, because stereotypical things don't allow you to go beyond the boundaries, because that it means is stereotypical. And because you are an artist, you are making piece of art, you have the liberty to change and to do experiments with your work. I'm just remembering a thought, recalling a thought. There was a quote: some people are artists and some people are piece of art. So be an artist, and also if you wish to, you can also become a piece of art. It says piece of art. But if you're only piece of art, then it won't fall good. So yeah, here we are. I'm not going very deep into it, just giving the sense. So I'm using yellow color in every single tree here. So that's how the light shade works.